In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your editor, how to open the font controls, and how to upload and apply your own font files to your site's headings for a branded look. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. From the main dashboard, click Website in the left-hand sidebar. This takes you into the design view, where you can make visual changes to your site. If you don't see the sidebar right away, move your mouse to the left edge until it appears. Next, look to the top right of the editor for the site's styles icon. Depending on your version, it may look like a paintbrush or a styles badge. Click that to open the design settings. This is where you'll control colors, spacing, and most importantly for today, fonts. Inside the styles panel, find the font section and click the arrow to open it. This expands the typography controls and lets you manage different font groups on your site. Because we're setting a custom typeface for your titles, choose Headings. Headings control elements like H1, H2, and H3, the big text you use for page titles and section headers. Focusing on headings first is a great way to introduce a custom font without overloading your site. Now click the current font shown for headings. This opens the font picker. You'll see the built-in font library at the top, but we're going to add our own. Look for the upload icon in the font picker and click it. This tells Squarespace you want to add a font file that isn't in the default library. It's perfect when you have a licensed brand typeface or a unique font you've purchased. You'll see an option to drag and drop your fonts. Click that area or drag files directly onto it from your computer. Squarespace supports common formats like OTF, TTF, WAF, and WAF2. If you have multiple weights like regular, medium, and bold, upload them together so your headings can switch weights cleanly. Make sure you own the right to use the font on the web, and try to keep file sizes reasonable to help your pages load quickly. Once the upload finishes, your custom font appears in the picker and applies to your headings in the live preview. Take a moment to scan a few pages to confirm letter shapes look crisp, spacing feels right, and the font remains readable on smaller screens. That's it. You've opened the website editor, accessed site styles, navigated to fonts, targeted headings, selected the current font, uploaded your files, and applied your custom typeface. Enjoy your new on-brand look.